Good morning. It's Earth Day. How exciting. I love Earth Day. We should really take care of this Earth. Well, anyway, I'm going to quickly go over the lessons that you have for today. I hope you get through them all and have lots of fun. The first one is our sight word. And our sight word for today, we kind of talked about it yesterday, so it's a quick one. It's going to be B-A-L-L, ball. Now, I want to remind you that word families are also rhyming words. So take a look at this. If I write ball, tall, small, call, I'm writing really, really fast, but do you hear that? Ball, tall, small, call. They all end the same, which means they're rhyming words. That's kind of cool. It also makes it easier to find those word family words. Okay, so first things first, make sure you study the word ball, and then you are going, oops, my books are over here. Today for your reading lesson, what I would like you to do is you're going to find two leveled books. Now, I happen to have brought some leveled books home with me, and I know you probably don't have leveled books like this. There is that link to Will Books. So if you can go to that you can click on the level C books and you can pick from there. Okay, that should help you. If not, just try to find a nonfiction book and a fiction book that you can read. Okay, the reason I wanted to show you these books is I'm just going to pick 2 pages. It doesn't really matter which 2 pages I pick. But this page I'm going to take a look at, and this is about the level C for a C book for kindergartners, and you should be able to read it by yourself. It says, "Oh no," said Matthew, "here is a comb." It means that we have sight words that we know. We also have to sound out some words, and we can use picture words to find the clue too. Well, anyway, you're going to read a fiction book. This is fake. It's about a fun grab bag that the kids find. And you're going to read a nonfiction book, which is going to be a true fact book. And this is At the Zoo. Let's read one page in this. I went to the zoo. I saw an alligator. I went to the zoo. I saw a hippopotamus. All right. After you have read your nonfiction and your fiction book, what I would like you to do is write a sentence about those books. So for at the zoo, I might write something like, when I go to the zoo, I want to see a hippopotamus. I don't know, maybe you want to see something else. Then for your fiction book, sorry, I'm getting confused. For your fiction book, you might write, if I found a grab bag, I would want a toy teddy bear. I don't know. What would you like if you found the grab bag? But you'd have to read the whole story to know what the story is about. Make sure that you practice reading it. You can't read it once, you can't read it twice. Maybe it might take 3 or 4 times to practice it. Remember, boys and girls, I told you before I read a story to you, I have to practice, or I wouldn't be able to read it either. All right, make sure you do that. Make sure you read 2 stories, a fiction and a nonfiction, and make sure you tell us about them with a sentence. Okay, the next thing for math, we're going to talk about measurable attributes. Measurable attributes are the things that you use or the words that you use to describe something. So, for example, tall and short are measurable attributes. You today need to illustrate them. Now, let me think about that. If I was going to use the words tall and short, I would draw a picture of Mrs. Ernest, who would be short, and then I would add Mr. Ernest next to me, who is tall. He's a lot taller than Mrs. Ernest. All right, make sure you illustrate the words. Make sure you illustrate the words that are listed on our sheet. Okay, the last thing is it's Earth Day. Make sure you go outside, you pick up some trash, you take a walk, you do something in nature today because nature is really, really important to us. Plus, all that fresh air going to help keep you healthy. All right, girls and boys, talk to you later. Bye. Have a great day.